go ahead and pause the video to fully read this example and analyze the figure that's given. All right, so now that we're looking at this, this figure, and we're told this particular measure that's given and asked to find the angle BAD, we know that that's going to be double the angle that we're given, BAC. So essentially this operation that we're doing here is we're going to take our angle that we know and we want to double it. So we're going to multiply that by 2. Now I can do that for each piece one at a time. So I can double the degrees, and that would be 52 degrees. I can double the minutes, and that would be 80 minutes. And then I can double the seconds, and that would be 84 seconds. But like we've taught in other examples, minutes and seconds work similar to the clock. There are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. But here for angle measures, there's 60 minutes in a degree. So that's really the only difference. So what we want to do next is convert these parts. And I'm going to start with the seconds piece. So 84 seconds is the same as 1 minute and 24 seconds. So I'm going to rewrite this as plus 1 minute and 24 seconds. That gives me 81 minutes, 24 seconds. Okay, so at least now the seconds are in a more recognizable format. Again, we don't talk about 81 minutes. If we were talking about on the clock, we would call that 1 hour and 21 minutes. So we're going to convert this one as well. I'm going to come over here to the side and do that. So 81 minutes is the same as 1 degree in 21 minutes. So let me rewrite this as 1 degree, 21 minutes, but I'll just put plus 24 seconds over to the side just to stay consistent. Now I add the degrees together. I get 53 degrees, 21 minutes, and 24 seconds. Okay, and that's how we end up with this solution up here at the top by hand. But again, our calculator will do this kind of stuff too. So let me clear out my calculator screen. If I want to do 2 times that original angle mark. Actually, I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write in the angle first. I'm going to do 26 degrees, 40 minutes, and 42 seconds. And remember, you get those special characters from Second Math. That's your angle menu. When I press enter, what that's going to do is change this to the decimal form of that angle. For the purpose of this problem, I had to then multiply that by 2. So if you just go ahead and press times 2, it's going to take that previous answer. I don't need to retype it. I don't want to retype it. I want to keep it as precise as possible. And I get the following. Now I'm going to change this decimal form into the degree minute second form by coming back to the angle menu, go down to the last option here, and that changes our previous answer. You can see here it's actually pasted in the previous number, and it's going to change that to degree minute seconds, and notice that we end up with the same thing as if we did this by hand.